If you are trying to go live on TikTok, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can do it. So first thing first, in order to go live, make sure that you have more than 1,000 followers or 1,000 followers. If you have less than followers, just like mine, in my case, as you can see, I only have 12 followers. So the live button or the live feature will not be visible in my profile or in my camera. So if you have more than 1,000 followers, this will be the steps you have to follow if you would like to go live. First of all, launch your TikTok app. Once done, get logged into your account, tap on the plus button here. Now, if you would like to go live, you will be able to see a live button if you swipe into your left or swipe into your right. As I said, there is no live button for me because I have less than 1,000 followers. But if you have more than 1,000 followers, you will be able to see a live button right here. You have to tap onto it. As soon as you tap on live, it will ask you if you are sure you would like to go live. You have to confirm your action, and likewise, tap on the red button that says live, and that way you will be going live.